Where is it right now?
When it starts getting funny, you'll know. It starts going faster and faster.
It's up by your head. Does that feel good?
Looks like she's having a...
It kind of feels neat. Except for when
I
it
don't
gets
like
up,
it on my head.
when it gets up to my ponytail, it feels like a dog's like pulling on my head.
Look like you have some kind of problem.
I know. Well, I do.
Parkinson's or something.
Oh. Here we go. This is gonna grow.
Wow.
Lifts them right up. Ooh. Looks like you point your boobs up in there.
You know what you need? You need a Madonna bra.
I got
Yeah.
tassels. I should go get them. That's go faster.
Kids will twirl.
Yeah.
Oh geez, it's going really fast now.
Jane, get me off this crazy thing. Like George Jetson.
So I'm gonna go up to your head. Are you laying straight back? It looks like your boobs are like.
No, because it sticks the thing. Yes, I'm touching the.
Yeah. 'Cause I wouldn't be able to support my weight with just my shoulder blades. Oh. No, it's giving me a hair massage.
Funny when Megan
I wanna try.